Hello everyone, so today we're going to be making an origami bird. To do this you need a square piece of paper and you're going to fold it in half to make a triangle. Then you're going to fold it in half again to make a smaller triangle. Then you'll have these two flaps on the side which you need to fold into the middle. Try and keep it down that sort of central line. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. And what you'll end up with is these two flaps at the top here. Now you're going to fold the top part in on itself, and to do that you need to fold it both ways. So you need to fold it that way and then along the same line the other way. This just makes it easy to manipulate. So you just need to push it in, like so. And then you're going to do the same on the other side. This is quite a nice sort of rainy day activity, which we're obviously going to have much more of now we're in winter. And it's a nice thing to do by yourself, and it's also a nice thing to do with others in your household. It's quite a mindful, relaxing, creative thing to do. And then you have this point here which you're going to turn into the beak and the head of the bird. Now we're going to do something similar to what we did just now, where we're going to fold it in on itself, so you need to fold it both ways again along that same line. Now this is a bit harder to manipulate as it's a bit thicker because we've had more folds, so you need to try and manipulate it the best you can and try and keep it fairly neat. And then you have one wing, magically, and then you have the other wing, again very magically. Now we could leave it there, but I want to make the tail a bit fancy, so what you're going to do is fold it one way, and then you're going to fold it the other way, and you're going to just put your thumb in there and press down so that the bird's tail has a nice sort of diamond shape to it. Mine's a bit wonky, but I think it adds character. And there you go, you have your origami bird. I hope you enjoy making yours.